Welcome back to AutoHub Info, your trusted destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique electric vehicles currently in the market, the 2025 Toyota C+pod EV. If you're looking for something compact, efficient, and future-forward, stick around as we explore every detail about this little electric marvel. First, let's define what the Toyota C+pod really is. The C+pod is a small, fully electric two-seater vehicle designed primarily for city use. It falls under the category of micro-mobility solutions, meaning it's crafted to solve the transportation challenges of densely populated urban environments. Think of it as a perfect blend between a scooter and a full-sized car, compact enough to navigate narrow streets but secure and comfortable like a car. The idea of the C+pod came from Toyota's vision to create environmentally friendly transportation options for short trips and last-mile mobility. The invention of the C+pod dates back to late 2020, when Toyota officially introduced it to the Japanese market. It was developed to meet the growing demand for low-emission vehicles in urban areas, especially in Japan where the government encourages eco-friendly mobility solutions. Over the years, Toyota has refined the C+pod, and the 2025 version is the most advanced yet, boasting upgrades in battery technology, safety, and convenience. Speaking of countries, Japan remains the largest user and seller of the Toyota C+pod. It was initially available exclusively for corporate users and local governments but eventually opened up to private customers as its popularity surged. In Japan, the compact design fits perfectly with narrow roads and limited parking spaces. While it's mainly popular in its home country, the C+pod has also caught attention in European cities like Paris and Amsterdam, where micro-mobility is gaining traction. However, no country has embraced it quite like Japan, where small cars known as K-cars dominate the urban landscape. When it comes to popularity, the Toyota C+pod has carved out its niche. It's not competing with high-performance electric sedans like Tesla or luxury EVs like Lucid. Instead, it targets urban commuters who want a green, affordable, and practical alternative to public transportation or scooters. Among city dwellers, senior citizens, and eco-conscious drivers, the C+pod is gaining momentum. Its unique design makes it stand out on the street, and its ease of use appeals to a wide range of users who want stress-free mobility. Now, let's talk performance. While it may be small, the 2025 C+pod offers just the right amount of power for city driving. It comes with an electric motor that produces around 12.5 horsepower and delivers instant torque to make zipping through traffic easy and enjoyable. The top speed is limited to about 60 km per hour, or roughly 37 miles per hour, which is perfect for urban areas but not meant for highways. The compact size and lightweight design give it nimble handling, allowing drivers to maneuver through tight spots and busy streets with confidence. Fuel efficiency, or in this case, energy efficiency, is one of the C+pod's strongest suits. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the 2025 model offers a driving range of up to 150 kilometers, or around 93 miles, on a single charge. That's more than enough for daily errands, commutes, and short trips. Charging the battery is simple and convenient, as it can be plugged into a regular household outlet and reaches full charge in about 5 hours. This high efficiency makes it a cost-effective solution for city driving, as the electricity consumption is minimal compared to larger EVs. As for capabilities, the Toyota C+pod is all about practicality. It's designed to be the ultimate city car, and it fulfills that role with excellence. It can tackle narrow alleyways, squeeze into tiny parking spots, and even operate in areas where larger vehicles would struggle. Thanks to its lightweight frame, it requires less energy to move, contributing to its outstanding range. While it doesn't have off-road abilities or long-distance travel capabilities, it shines as a point-to-point mobility solution in busy urban settings. Let's not forget the key features that make the 2025 C+pod an appealing choice. Inside, it offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for 2 passengers, with thoughtful storage compartments and comfortable seating. The dashboard is simple yet functional, featuring a digital display that shows speed, battery level, and range. Safety hasn't been compromised either. It comes with airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and a reinforced cabin structure to protect occupants. Additional features include power windows, remote keyless entry, and even an optional solar panel roof that can help extend battery life in sunny conditions. When it comes to price, the 2025 Toyota C+pod remains an affordable entry into the EV world. In Japan, it starts at around 1.65 million yen, which translates to roughly $11,000. That makes it one of the most budget-friendly electric vehicles on the market today. Its low price point, combined with its minimal running costs, makes it an attractive option for individuals and businesses alike. Owners benefit from lower taxes, insurance premiums, and maintenance costs, as the electric drivetrain has fewer moving parts than a traditional gasoline engine. Now, let's highlight the selling points that set the C+pod apart from the competition. First, its ultra-compact size is a major advantage in crowded cities where parking and traffic congestion are daily headaches. Second, its zero-emission electric powertrain aligns perfectly with global efforts to reduce carbon footprints and improve air quality. Third, its affordability makes electric mobility accessible to a larger audience, including younger drivers and retirees. Finally, the simplicity and convenience of owning a C+pod, from easy charging to low operating costs, make it an ideal solution for those who want a hassle-free driving experience. So, there you have it, the 2025 Toyota C+pod EV, a small car with a big mission. It's redefining urban transportation by offering a practical, eco-friendly, and affordable way to move around the city. Whether you're looking for your first EV or need a reliable second vehicle for daily errands, the C+pod delivers value, efficiency, and charm in one tiny package. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more exclusive automotive content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon right here on AutoHub Info. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.